Okay, here I am showing you how to insert the assessment paper from the teacher end. So this is my teacher page in LMS. So entering the email ID and the password. So this is my teacher page. Then you go to manage question bank first. First you go to manage question bank. In the manage question bank, it is treated like our question paper. So first you have to submit the question paper, then on that paper we will take the assessment. So first you have to write the question paper name. Suppose I am writing here computer test, class suppose 7, subject computer science, suppose number system. So this topic name will show if you have submitted your study material, then only you can generate the question paper on that. So be very careful that this topic name will be automatically come. So if you have submitted the uploaded the study material, then that study material's topic name will be shown here. Okay, so while I am choosing MCQ type question, then upload CSV file, this option will come. Okay, where already prepared question you can browse and you can upload it. Okay, so CSV file, one demo file is here. You can check the demo file. If you click on the demo file, then the demo file will open and you have to follow the exact format of the demo file. Okay, so this type of file, it is one demo file, is showing about the format how you have to type the paper, question paper. So this is the question. In the A column, B column is option A, C column option B, D column option C, and E column option D. And here the right answer option, that means option B is correct or option D is correct, like that. Or suppose you are giving true false type of question, so here in the B column you write true, and in the C column write false, and is true or false, is true, here you have to give 1, number 1, and in the answer, right answer, here you have to write T for true, and is true or false, here you have to give 1. It is given 1 because for the backend to understand that it is a true false type of question, and this is the marks of every question. Each question here carrying marks 1 1 1, so you can change the marks also. So I will suggest that copy this file, and you just at the first row you don't change anything, leave it as it is, and from row 2 you just write your own question here and options here and answer here. Just follow this format. Okay, if you don't follow this, then the questions will not be uploaded properly. Okay, after submitting, you can see the list of question papers that you have made for the students. So here you can see that I have made only 2 papers. Okay, so go to manage question. So I am clicking here manage question. From manage question you can see all your questions, and you can view from here also. All are MCQ type of question, default marks 1 1 1, and these are your questions. So go to view. So you can see here that this green color answer is the right answer, and default mark is 1. Everything will be shown. Click here, another question, like this. Okay, here also we can add or we can type text or image questions. So in the manage question bank, here the list of question papers that we have made. So suppose this question I am going to manage question. So all my questions are showing here, 1 to 5 questions are here. Okay, then I want to add another one question. So here I can type this. Again go to upside and question type, select it, MCQ type question. Then this type of box will come, this type of window will come, and here I can type the question. What is AI? So here I can type the answers. Okay, and you can choose which one is correct answer. Suppose this is the correct answer. Now I am submitting this. Yes. Now everyone can see that what is AI. This question I have typed just now. This question comes at first, then MCQ type question and default marks 1, and I can view. So that B, this answer I have chosen as the right answer, so it is showing in the green color. Okay, again I am showing you how to insert picture in the question. Again go to MCQ type question. Can you see this icon? This is the insert image icon. So I am clicking on this. Then choose the upload button. This is the upload button. Then go to browse. Then I am choosing any one picture. Then go to send it to the server. Okay. So your picture will be shown like this. You can change the height and width. Okay, so your picture came here. You can change the size from here also, smaller size, medium size, so you can change it. So showing this picture you can give options. Any options we are giving. Okay, then suppose this is the right answer and I am submitting here. Now I am showing which one, where is the question. So this is my question, only this picture, and I am viewing the options. Yes, so these are the options. Okay, now I am showing you any essay type of question. You can type here. I have typed one question and essay type question answer. You can write here the answer key. And many things you have written. Okay, then I am submitting. Let's check. Yes, what is the importance of AI? And this is my answer. Okay, now for taking assessment, go to manage assessment and add assessment. So this type of page will open. Now you write, suppose I am taking one assessment on AI. So I am typing here AI exam. This is quiz time. That means the duration of the exam. Suppose the duration of the exam I want 20 minutes. Here hours and minutes. So I am choosing minutes. So the start date and time, this is very important. Start date and time means this is the entry time of the student. That means from suppose from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. one student can enter to give the exam. Exam duration is 20 minutes, but the start time and end time we will fix for the student enter. Student will enter during this time period and can give the exam for 20 minutes. Okay, so click here. Suppose I want to give the date 9th July, and here is the clock option. Click here and at 10, and the end time 9th July, suppose 12. Or 13, that means 1 p.m. So 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. is the time, entry time. So during this 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. student can enter and start the exam and finish within 20 minutes. I have to choose the class, subject, computer test. So this is the question set that already you have made. As shown in the screen. Then I will submit it. Then go to assessment list. You can see the assessment list, whatever you have set for the student. So quiz name, AI exam, class, subject, start time, end time, question set, appeared list. That means how many students have appeared for this exam. Delete or edit. Suppose you want to delete or edit your paper, then you can do this. And this is for published or not published. If you published here, if you published, give the published option, then it will go to the student and student can see. Okay, and this is the edit option. This is the exam edit option. So you can edit the timing, date, class, question paper name, question set. This all thing you can edit. Okay, this all about how to go to appear list. So no data available, that means no one has given that exam, no student has given the exam. Okay, so this is all about how to set the assessment paper.